I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dream League app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list that all you have to do. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Dream League app or just search for it here. So here at DL, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on it here. There is here 24. Just click on it. Then come to this list. Click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.